dear friends. Hello dear friends. Welcome to the English Phonics series Part 2. Today we are going to discuss the short and the long sound of the vowel A. So let's start. Dear friends, have you ever noticed why the sound of this vowel is different here and here? For example, when we are reading this word bat, the sound of this vowel is A. And when we are reading this word bake, the sound of this vowel is A, which is the name of the letter itself. Dear friends, here I want to tell you one thing, that each vowel makes two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. Now let us discuss when the vowel A makes a short sound and when it makes a long sound. Rule number 1. When a word has only one vowel and ends with a consonant, the vowel A will make a short sound. For example, A, bat. Rule number 2. When a word has two vowels and it ends with the vowel E, the first vowel will make a long sound and the vowel E will be silent. That's why we read this word as bake, bake. Now the third rule, if two vowels are written together in a word, then the first vowel will make a long sound. That's why we read this word as rain and pain. Now the last rule, if these letters are written together in any word, then also they will make a long sound of the vowel A. For example, pray, A, pray. They, A, they. Break, A, break. Eight, A, eight. Straight, A, straight. Dear friends, in my next video, we will discuss the short and the long sound of the vowel E. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. Bye.